Wheat rice is the top category in UAE for any Indian product, but other than that, dairy is having good consumption, all pulses, spices.
And what about wheat flour? I mean, that is banned from India, but you have a permission quota from the government.
We have got permission from DGFT for procuring wheat from other countries, and we can process it and send to different countries. Right now, we are importing from Turkey, Russia, Ukraine, and Australia.
And you are
And exporting to Malaysia, Canada, Germany, UAE itself. We are distributing our own brand also.
okay.
We are doing co-packing for big brands and few retailers. Sitting in Dubai, we got that benefit itself. So it was a very big benefit. That quality is not possible because
Okay.
the Indian wheat, especially chakki atta and sharbati atta, is very famous from Seoul.
Okay.
And people buy, if it is written there that sharbati atta, chakki atta fresh.
फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट फेडरेशंस। आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग गल्फ फूड दुबई में हैं और यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी इंडिया से, बाकी देशों से आ रही है, अपने प्रोडक्ट एग्जिबिट कर रही है। तो वैसे एक कंपनी हमें यहाँ पे दिखी, प्राइस मास्टर। तो सर से बात करेंगे। सर, प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर कंपनी एंड योर प्रोडक्ट। यहाँ पे कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिला?
So namaskar. Basically, we are into different categories. We have one dairy segment, one agro segment.
ओके।
So we are manufacturers also, we are traders also, importer also, distributor also. We are doing cross trade also.
ओके।
So
How old is this company?
we have been on board since 2014.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're based in which?
I am based in UAE only, but we have like our sister concern, one subsidiary company is in India, in MPCO Trade Kings, which is specialized in atta. Because chakki atta is not banned is from India right now,
Right.
but with due permissions, we are doing that thing.
Okay.
And we are specialized in that thing. Then we have one dairy division in India where we are manufacturing dairy products, specialized in paneer and then butter, cheese, ghee.
Okay. Right.
And then here we have in UAE also we have set up for import. We are bringing import and local distribution. We do private label. Apart from, we are also covering GCC's country. Then we have set up in Africa also for a few agro commodity.
Right. So basically, you're sourcing mostly from India or from other?
Yeah, it's mostly India.
Okay.
But unfortunately, few products are banned from India. So otherwise, with due respect, we are doing all this on permission. We are doing atta, but maida we can't do.
Right.
So maida we are doing from Turkey.
Right. For atta, you have a manufacturing in MP only,
MP.
and you have a quota in government.
Yeah,
For
we have to import wheat against that.
correct.
Okay, and we
Your
are
country, you are importing from wheat.
importing from Turkey, Ukraine, Australia,
Okay, that we can.
and Russia also.
Okay, so basically, as you know, Indian wheat prices are quite high, and we know that this year elections are there, so government want to keep a control on many of the commodities prices, like rice, like wheat, like onion.
Yeah.
There are a lot of restrictions and bans or minimum export duty (MEP). So wheat flour is one of the product. I think whole world buy wheat from India, right? It's very popular, and the Indian people need Indian taste, so they prefer Indian wheat and it's atta maida. But now it's banned, so you can import wheat. You are processing that in Bangladesh and you are re-exporting. That is allowed.
Yeah, that's allowed. That is allowed.
So how much? What is your quantity of this wheat flour?
That we are doing monthly 1500 metric ton only. Our plant capacity is 1500 metric.
Okay, so here is 100% export. It's 100%. We are tell that in India.
We are packing for big brands also,
Okay.
and we are end consumer. Few clients are also there with us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are also again distribute here also on our brand.
Well.
Yeah.
So what is the difference in Indian wheat flour and other country wheat
Quality.
quality?
So no one we get sharbati atta or chakki atta from Turkey or Oman. We did from Oman also, but that quality nobody can match. Women products has different tastes, different quality.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So basically the quality मतलब जो टेस्ट है और बाकी ग्लूटेन है या कलर है या वो बाकी हार होता है दूर बीट उसको.
Well, the traditional, which is the traditional chakki atta, basically traditional way of producing wheat flour.
Right.
That is from India we can get only.
Right.
So what we have tried on from Turkey itself, but this is
Right. And nowadays we saw some other big flour company from other country. They are selling chakki atta now. I mean, chakki atta is Indian name and Indian way of doing it. But now बाकी लोग भी अपने नाम या कॉपी करके या वैसा पूरा कोई करके मार्केट में ला रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो उसका कुछ इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है मार्केट में?
डिमांड अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है मार्केट में,
जी।
तो हमको इतना इम्पैक्ट दिख नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि अभी इंडिया से तो एक्सपोर्ट बैन है,
बराबर।
तो जो छोटे छोटे प्लेयर्स है वो तो आउट ऑफ द मार्केट हो गए।
राइट
अभी जो बड़े आशीर्वाद, अडानी ये लोग कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ हम कर रहे हैं।
राइट। तो ओवरऑल आपको क्या लगता है, मतलब ओवरऑल वीट का जो मार्केट है वो दुनिया का, उसमें इंडिया का शेयर कितना है और आगे क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
I don't have any exact figures, but right now in future what is going to happen? Earlier it happens to pulses also.
ओके
When Indian pulses banned, people got pulses from other countries where they were not used to eat those products.
राइट
But now there was the market, nothing was there, so now they were established. Same like now Turkey is very much established. So even on wheat flour, so even at least even India will start even with prices better because Turkey prices are cheaper.
राइट
And so it will affect at least 50-60% volume. It will affect.
राइट। आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट को थोड़ा सा ख्याल रखना नहीं इन चीज़ों का।
India also we agreed there is huge consumption in India, so they also need to take care of those things because
सो आपने वीट फ्लोर है आपका टॉप सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट,
top flour dairy है।
और डेयरी का प्लांट कहाँ पे है सर आपका?
डेयरी का अपना बड़ौदा में प्लांट है,
कहाँ पे?
बड़ौदा में है, आगरा में है,
ओके
और यहाँ दुबई में भी मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, बिल्कुल मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं। We are working, see, I'm working on something India UAE things.
ओके
So, in fact, I'm planning for some products, exclusive product which we can export to India also from here.
फ्रॉम हियर टू दैट।
Yeah.
ओके इन डेयरी सेक्टर यू सिंग।
Dairy sectors also, other products also we are doing, pulses we are doing.
तो इंडिया में डेयरी सेक्टर से कौन से प्रोडक्ट आप एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हो?
India से butter, ghee, paneer. Ghee is basically Indian product, so mostly Indian ghee. So, yeah.
एंड बटर पनीर इन द
See, we have paneer is a retail product. Butter we have both options. It's a B2B product also. A lot of industries require those products. Then SM milk powder is there. Right now the like milk powder and everything is a little bit cheaper from Europe side.
Right. So, I mean, are you facing this kind of challenges in every product? Because we have a lot of resources product, but many products are cheaper in other countries than India. Like wheat is cheaper, soybean is cheaper, maize is we are getting cheaper outside. And dairy products are also getting cheaper in other countries. Why so?
So consumption in India is a too much consumption. A lot of products are there. I am also facing problems where the taste is Indian taste is better, but because of the pricing we can't afford. Because UAE is very price competitive, very price sensitive.
Right.
And very frankly, like whatever products are coming, if cheaper price, the quality is not good. So especially from India, few dairy companies are like they are putting us as a animal fat, but they are sending us oil fat.
Oil.
We have a big dispute for these things.
Right. I think अगर international market देखे तो I think quality is the first and then price.
Yeah, obviously, you are spoiling Indian name if you are sending instead of animal fat, you are sending vegetable fats. You are spoiling it. And in fact, the GDT rate, for example, market is today 6,500. European says their product in 6,500, but Indian product nobody can give them 5,500 also because they know that anyhow they play around.
Okay, right. तो आपका फिर इंडिया में बेस है, वहाँ से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करके आप यहाँ पे लाते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। तो मोस्टली आपका सेल मार्केट का कौन सा है? व्हाट इज योर टारगेट मार्केट?
मैं जीसीसी पूरा
जीसीसी के सारे कंट्रीज में।
GCA, in fact, we are just this exhibition was so good. Like we got clients for Egypt, Turkey also.
Okay.
There are a lot of confectionery companies there.
Okay.
And they have consumption.
Right.
Huge demand of ghee in Syria, different places.
Okay. You said you have a manufacturing facility in UAE also.
Yeah.
कौन सी facilities हैं? कहाँ पे? क्या
We are manufacturing paneer, khoya.
Okay.
We will be branding ghee soon also.
Okay. तो ये उसका रॉ से कहाँ से प्रोक्योर करते हैं?
Proper Europe से पूरा.
यूरोप से प्रोक्योर करते
जी, Europe. You not make it's obviously from the powder or everything, but we bring butter from India.
Okay.
So white butter so that it enhances the quality of the product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so you have already set up a plant.
Yeah, we have set.
What is the capacity of that plant, sir?
Like right now we are working on not big quantity. Capacity is 70 to 80 tons, which monthly plant. It's a DIP.
DIP. Okay. Yeah. So that's great. I mean, you can see the people, Indian people, big companies are setting up their manufacturing units in UAE. And I think made in UAE also has some advantage.
Yeah, obviously, like Europe, we cannot export any dairy product from India. So we are based here. We are getting a lot of inquiries for any dairy product, whether it is sweets or paneer or anything.
What is the problem with Indian products? So why the
sanitization issue and this sometimes the mixing issue, adulteration is a lot of adulteration. I don't want to say any company name, but we also face a lot of problems here. Our still few Indian products, not from our company, other suppliers, it is still blacklisted here.
Right.
And they don't take those things serious. That is the issue.
राइट आई थिंक अगर इंडियन लोग देख रहे फार्मर्स फार्मर प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी उनके महासंघ नेता लोग सरकारी लोग तो इंडिया को क्वालिटी पे बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा अपने प्रोडक्ट कुछ कंट्री में बैंड है क्योंकि आइडेंटिफिकेशन है ना मिक्सिंग है अपने क्वालिटी कंप्लायंसेस नहीं है ग्लोबल सर्टिफिकेशन को समझते हैं नॉन पैकेजिंग समझता नहीं है
इनफैक्ट मेरी खुद की एक कंप्लेन गई हुई है एमपी के होम मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस में, बट दे हैव नॉट टेकन सीरियसली
राइट
एनी हाउ.
करेक्ट और उसी की वजह से हमने ही हमारे पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है तो काफी सारी कंट्रीज ने प्रोडक्ट बैन करके रखे हैं और फिर हम ही यहाँ पे आंदोलन कर रहे कि भाव नहीं मिलता तो अपने को रूट कॉज पे काम करना पड़ेगा अपने को प्रॉब्लम ढूंढ के उसके ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा और इंडिया को अपने अच्छे प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस किए बिना अच्छे ब्रांड प्रोड्यूस किए बिना वो सेल नहीं कर सकते और इंडिया को अपने प्रोडक्ट सेल करने के बजाय दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं है बड़ा होने का
If you want to go in obviously world, you need to like concentrate on more exports.
Right.
Like already we are rise in because of rice and wheat. We
Right.
maybe foreign exchange very less is
Right.
there in India.
Yes.
But other things there is a very huge market and there is good scope in the international market for Indian dairy.
Okay. Do you think we can compete? If you, once you,
For example, if you, I talk about UAE itself only.
yes.
There is a huge demand of UHT milk here.
Okay.
So, but we don't get any that good quality from Iran or this other country. And Iran is also sanctioned country, so we cannot import also.
Okay.
So other countries are not so competent. Whatever they are providing, they must be providing powder based. But Indian company can provide us milk based.
Milk best. Yeah, right. So here we see in the UAE market, we see Amul is in a big way, and you can see also in the retail market. So do you face competition from these brands also?
Yeah, obviously, but in fact, I will say Amul is facing competition with us.
Okay.
Because they are no doubt any pioneer in the world. They are the only one Indian brand. But in fact, we are also doing very small competition in few products.
Few products. Yeah. Okay. So, but price wise, can you compete with Amul?
We are competing. Yeah, we are competing. Yeah.
Okay.
They are big companies, but we are competing. So we don't have much expenses. We don't keep more margins, and our distribution channel is way simpler than Amul.
You are also distributing to the retail market here?
Yeah, we are also distributing.
How many company or retail counters or a supermarket you are distributing?
Right now, not much. Say tentatively 500, 600 markets we are. It's very huge market.
Okay.
But 500, 600 we are covering.
दोस्तों यूएई का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल है वो आपका खुद का है मतलब you have a delivery system, delivery vans and the people and delivery to the retail counters?
Yes.
Okay. And you're saying how many counters you are catering? 500 to 600 or 600. All products mostly dairy and wheat flour and
Yeah, dairy and wheat flour.
it's the same category kind of product, right?
No, not same category. Dairy bean is frozen and this one is dry product.
Okay. So you have a supply chain for both basically.
Yeah.
Okay. So you work in distribution only with your products or you are open for other brands?
So we are open for the other products. As far as it is in same range, not only food, not any non-food we are not doing.
So you are open to other brands also?
Yeah, we are already in talks. I have some relations. We are already working on that.
Okay. So because we Import Export Federation have many manufacturers as our members, partners who are interested in launching their food products in UAE market and Gulf. And I think you have a very good distribution network. So definitely we would like to get associated with you. So we can bring on good brands with you and then we can work collaboratively.
Yeah.
Well,
But two things I want people to do, very important in UAE market. Just take care of your business payment terms.
Right.
That is more important.
Okay.
And educate yourself for the market, how it works.
Right.
Because people come here and invest some money without knowing that they will be able to do business or not, but they are losing unnecessary.
Okay.
So instead of that, first do educate yourself. There is more good investment. There will be more good investment. That's it.
So new people, I mean, let's say for new people, if they want to launch their brand, how should they progress? How should they start?
They need to find two options there. Either they make their own base here, either they need some distributor or partners where can do, or either they can do directly to retailers also. Retailers are also very keen to do business directly from the market. But as far as the product is cheaper, product is fast moving. Fast moving is for retailers. Fast moving is very important,
Right.
because one retailer on any product being one market, any retailer is like they are playing with 50-60 market every retailer,
Yes.
maximum 100 markets.
Okay.
So, and 100 markets, the UAE is a very diversified city. So we have all communities here. We have Philippines, we have Indians.
Yeah.
So
Right.
too much variety of people, too much. So it's not possible. Everything, every market can sell every product.
Correct. So there is a specific target audience for you.
Yeah. If like me, as far as paneer, only Asian people eat, and also in India, also it's like North in South Indian doesn't like paneer, North Indian eats,
Right.
and our product is expensive than the non-veg category.
Yes.
So we also face few times.
Well. Okay, that's great. तो यहाँ से आप कुछ इंडिया में भी एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं कि आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे ज्यादा करके
अभी इंडिया में एक्सपोर्ट करा है हमने, लेकिन कुछ पल्सेस वगैरह जैसे जो वहाँ पे अवेलेबल नहीं है वो कर रहे हैं.
Okay. But you also have a digital platform for this distribution.
Unfortunately, I have platform, but it is a different division for me. It's a stationary division,
Okay.
but we want to put into food also.
Right.
Slowly, but for that we need a good basket and good quality products.
Well. Okay.
Yeah.
तो अभी हमारे जो नए exporters है, how can they associate with your company?
See, we can do one best thing for them. We have our own platform.
Okay.
So we can provide them logistic. We can provide them all support they want.
Right.
Okay, they can bring their team here and do market. Whatever they don't need to open a company or whatever best thing is being required. We will give them logistic support, warehousing support, everything. What is possible for us.
Okay.
So, but for the product, I think product is like this. It's a baby for everyone. My baby is different. Your baby is different. So, if you want to grow, take care of your baby, you have to market yourself.
Yeah.
That is more important.
Right. I think that's a message. Many people, Import Export Federation, many associate followers are watching this video. Many people are looking for good products. They can also buy products from you and sell in any other country, or you can also see this company as a platform to launch your product in GCC. अगर कोई सर दूसरे कंट्री से आपके साथ एसोसिएट होना चाहता है, let's say we have someone from Saudi and they want to be your marketing channel partner in that.
Yeah, obviously we are open to anyone. We are like we are growing. We are in expansion mode. We are going to African countries also.
Okay.
Whatever for business we do need to do, we are doing.
Right. How do you do the marketing for all these products, sir?
We have team different. Like my one partner is handling completely agro commodities.
Okay.
So internationally we do markets. In fact, we buy sometime palm oil from Malaysia and sell it to Djibouti.
Yeah.
Different products. Sometimes we buy pulses from UAE also and sending to Colombo, Sri Lanka.
It's a multi-country trade basically.
Multi-country trade basically, and we are like whoever our partner is, like we are supporting them and they are also supporting us.
Right. You find UAE easy for this low
It's very easy. UAE is like for I think for 5 years I have not left this country. So it is very good, very safe.
Okay.
Our family is happy. We don't want to go anywhere.
And what
It is more important.
right? What about business?
Business is very see that is a very big question
Right.
because it's all depend. It's working opposite over here basically.
Okay.
Your expenses should be lesser because the real estate market is very booming here. So it's expensive for renting
Accommodation.
or accommodation.
What is very
And everybody is like outsiders, so the visa cost, all these things is expensive, and everybody from leave India and comes here to earn more money.
so that is a major concern.
Major concern.
Your
Many people, what they are doing, they are keeping their operations back in India to share the cost. In fact, here local UAE company, bank and all, they are doing the same thing.
okay.
Yeah.
Right. So are you getting funding support or financial support from banks?
Yeah. It's there is no problem.
Bank
It's very easier. Although it's depend like for our company, it's little bit expensive, but it's okay. Well, the support what we got from UAE is always good. In the 6-7 years of span of time we are here in this place, it's very amazing for growth for us.
Okay. How many people work in this company?
See, I will not tell about in my company. We are group of companies, so it's a very big stuff now. Big team. Yeah.
Right. I think import-export is not one-man business. It's always a team effort. Someone is in the procurement, someone in packaging, someone logistics, someone is distributor. So right from the producer to the consumer, you need to have this supply chain transparency and you should have control on that. and if you keep your operational costs a minimum, then it will be profitable. I think that's what is the learning from this. So thank you very much for sharing this insight. It will inspire many people, and many people will contact you also. They may get
We are here
your company.
because someday someone supported me, so I'm here.
Okay.
So I want to do for someone for like this. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you, brother.